How to play with friends on eFootball 2024. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will show you how you can play with friends on eFootball 2024. So to get started, first of all, open up eFootball 2024 application and then you will be appear with this type of screen interface. Now what you're gonna do is tap on match and then tap on eFootball like you. Now first you'll have to create the match, so click on create 1 versus 1 match room, and then if you want to set password you can set. I'm not setting a password, so I'm simply tapping on create option. Once you do it, you can see the room number right there. Copy it and then go back. So now what you're gonna do is close that room and then click on search match number and then paste the number that you have copied and then click on search. Once you do that, you will be successfully able to play with your friends on the eFootball 2024. So that is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.